Well, after a very mild stretch of weather, it feels like we're in the middle of January. This is the coldest morning in more than a month. You have to go back to December 19th to find a morning as chilly as what we have right now. So stepping outside, it is beautiful out. The sun is shining, mixing with some high clouds as we take a look at some of those live views across the area this morning from Providence's hurricane barrier camera to our Narragansett beach cam. It's a pretty start to the day, but it is chilly. 16 in Smithfield, 19 Providence and Newport. It's 20 degrees right now in New Bedford and in the teens in Westerly. Winds are fairly light, but even a little bit of wind is bringing that feel-like temperature in Providence down to 12. Our forecast threat tracker, it stays in the green. There's no severe weather coming our way. We could see a couple of flurries in spots this afternoon. Dry and chilly weather in store for the upcoming weekend, even colder than what we're going to see today. Just ground cloud at the radar site. There's no precipitation right now. One change you're going to see through the morning hours is that the clouds are going to roll in, and by lunchtime we should be under mostly cloudy skies. So it's a cold, dry start this morning. Lower 20s, 8 o'clock hour, upper 20s, 10 a.m. and back to the middle 30s by lunchtime. We'll stay between 35 and 40 this afternoon, which is near normal. Isolated flurries possible in the early afternoon and then clearing out for the evening and cool. Here's the wind chill today. So it's been, again, close to the air temperature, and we're going to find that for much of the afternoon, too, as the winds stay between about 5 and 10 miles per hour, upper 20s for your feel-like temperatures. Let's walk you through the forecast, and you can see some of those extra clouds returning to our area this afternoon. Mainly cloudy, 1 o'clock. Little blip of precipitation possible. Most of the flurries today, they're going to stay to the north of us. I don't think we'll see as many as what we had yesterday. Our high temperatures, though, again, they're cool. The sky's clearing for this evening and into much of the night tonight. 11 o'clock at night, we're still upper 20s to lower 30s. So we actually have some warmer air in place tonight and tomorrow morning that'll keep us a little milder than where we're starting today. We'll be up into the upper 20s and low 30s around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and our afternoon highs on Friday are back above 40 degrees. 42 for Providence, about 43 in Taunton and in New Bedford. After Friday, though, we've got more cold air coming. A couple shots of it, as we mentioned, from some weak disturbances. One is up across Canada right now, and you can see some of those scattered snow showers along that warm front that are getting closer to us. So this evening and tonight behind that, our skies will be doing some clearing with those overnight lows. As I mentioned, not quite as cold. We'll drop down to about 28 degrees despite the mostly clear skies. So a cool winter night, but not frigid. That's coming this weekend. Let's take a look. 7-day forecast. 42 tomorrow, 32 for the high on Saturday. But we got to talk about the winds. They're going to be gusting over 30 miles per hour at times. Feel like temperatures. This is 2 in the afternoon, around 10 to 15 above in Pasco, Smithfield, and Providence. 17 in Taunton. The coldest wind chills, though, they're going to be late Saturday night and Sunday morning with wind chills in the single digits. We're going to keep an eye on Tuesday of next week for the chance for some wintry weather if an offshore system comes close enough to